Hey everyone, welcome back to Full to Fitness. Today we're diving into the top 5 exercises for fat loss that you can do at home. No equipment required at all. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to switch up your routine, these moves will help you burn calories and build strength. Let's go. First up, burpees. This full body exercise is a calorie torching powerhouse. Start in a standing position, drop into a squat, kick your feet back into a plank, do a push-up, jump your feet forward, and explode into a jump. Aim for 10 to 12 reps. Exercise 2. Mountain climbers. Mountain climbers are great for your core and cardio. Get into a high plank position and alternate driving your knees toward your chest as fast as you can. Again, aim for 10 to 12 reps per leg. Exercise 3. Jumping jacks. Jumping jacks are a classic move that gets your heart rate up. Stand with your feet together, jump while spreading your legs and raising your arms overhead, then return to the starting position. Do 20 to 30 reps. Fourth on the list, squat jumps. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, lower into a squat, and explode upward into a jump. Land softly and repeat for 10 to 12 reps. Finally, plank shoulder taps. In a high plank position, alternate tapping each hand to the opposite shoulder while keeping your hips stable. Do 10 to 12 taps per side. And there you have it, folks. 5 exercises to crush fat without any equipment. Try doing this circuit 2 to 3 times for a quick workout. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your favorite fat-burning exercise.